rhythm yet. We there for vibes, cartel.
That was a lick in a mouth moment. That was a kick in a
Joe, behave your bomb buckle yourself. We there for vibes, cartel. We not there for Uno. Pussy, play rhythm.
That is it.
How do we expel, man? We not know.
You nation walk once for Adrian back in the building with another episode. Before we get into anything, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Bing. We're gonna talk about the Popcaan and Chronic performance at Freedom Street Vibes Cartel concert. You already know. Apparently there was a fight about to start backstage with Skatta and Unruly Camp. Overall, the show was a good look for Vibes Cartel and his fans. I think people get their money's worth based on the performance and the people who attend that show.
Ready me yet? We there for Vibes Cartel, me a talk straight. Me not there for some white boy and a rasta boy. Me a bad man, me not like people, my friend. Skatta behavior. Joe, behave your bomb buckle yourself. We there for Vibes Cartel, we not there for Uno. Pussy, play rhythm.
No, that is it.
How do we expel, man? We not no bomb buckle ourselves, you know. Yeah, no.
Yeah, they know my friend.
All who respect our boss in our blood class stadium. Let me see some signal. Joe. Oh, can this my dog? Lovely there. Lovely. We respect every artist, but we not like nobody a bomb buckler. I like corrupt people in a stadium. Lovely there. Watch his style now. I me say me nah, just nobody. Wait no man. Lovely there. Lovely there. Me no wanna read him. Me no wanna read him. I'm glad to live to see Vibes Cartel come out in a real life. All who glad say them see cartel with them two eye a road put up one in a year so. The dog said there's a lot of things where we can't get back on it name time. I want to sing that one in a cappella. Sure. I saw this scheme set me say 16 and no reach 15 yet. Crime scene and never no movie I make. Real blood there's some around flesh. And me see dog and cat turn rat, me see man a yours. Me see family stab family lungs puncher. Me see my love gone and guess what? Level. Now get it back, me feel empty. Me heart heavy, daddy want know if me strap, me can't tell him that. The abnormal Glock a fire regular. We now search for love, it's already gone. You know what the thing, man, ready up now, man. Hey, not nice, big up your bum buckle yourself. Ask the building, we bought from street vibes Thursday. Girl, they say she feel. The Glock come with kit and on the first aid. Hey, not nice. We are bought from Clarks and Bally Hide or the shirt them. Call on the phone but call your girlfriend. And my jeans would chop off no goat head. Hey, stadium, chop on buckler. So we fuck up it weekend. A million and up in G's burn. All who enjoy themselves in a stadium.
Yeah. Anyway, they kill them top girl want to give me the contact. Tell some boy. The girl is step on there, go. Sonny are in there. More girl give me and there. No, for the blood in the DNA. Over here, so. Go. I am way out. Grandma, pretty girl. The girl is step, go on so. Oh, one more that girl me on. Hold up. Give me St. Thomas native there. Well, one lord there. My father.
Yeah, they look fry.
You know now. My granny claw. Lupin.
Oh. You know the thing, you know, big up yourself, cartel. Baba. One bomb buckler away, spell it, hear me? One dog.
We any young girl on fire. Yeah. Little from the sun, girl, I get wired. Whoa, you girl see me outside and on phone them dialing. Yeah, rich lifestyle. I lose a bad mind then, go so. Bad mind then, when me blast off. Me I walk with a clip we are on here. Pussy them never want man. Every record, hands up. Zero me a come from. No, look at me. Yeah. I know the me I come from.
All our respect cartel boss a blank in I bomb buckler place right now. Sure, I me say St. Thomas native, look on greatness, street not safety, no shake if it. Them hate with them lady have whip on them brain ask last week. Change up with Bible Mafia car wasting. You feel proud of the changes. Pop it up period and no nothing do. A forward from slavery and really bravery. One of them, sure, them not learn. Can't see kill a pirate. Rifle will lift up like star. We no card first, now fall. We a get up forward.
Alright, see that partner with me now. Anybody when know me for real, know say. Remember when me clothes never real, yet still, me never stole anything. I'm a band great, cartel a number one. From out in my bank book full of million. Them can't understand. The people them run us, so. I know them afraid for dark. Popcaan, I feel like he world and he never rap.
It's a good look for St. Thomas native is in the nation. Popcaan and Chronic put on a massive performance. That was dope. But Chronic and Popcaan have to tell Skatta to go suck him mother because Popcaan and Chronic said Skatta have them outside waiting for over 3 hours.
If I never can't tell me about me yard, when I couldn't have me and Chronic out the door for 3 hours, I want me couldn't have hold down the native them. Don't do that to you. I want to have you out the front. It's a lifestyle moment regardless. Because the world boss. The girl is there when they say, oh yeah.
Nation pretty than have this to say about Skatta and Joe. Because in the first place, we don't know why Popcaan and Chronic get hold up outside because they were part of the show. Just take a listen.
That was a lick in a mouth moment. That was a kick in the mouth moment. That was a moment for cartel proof for you. That is the moment when the whole Gaza would have beat you. If I did 2009 cartel. You hear me I tell you? Okay, hot time. Believe. The whole of no come. You and Joe stinking Skatta. Pay a cartel 6 million. So now keep show and then walk come. Man angle man pan your own show. Baba bitch. Skatta, believe man. Thank God for Graves disease and blood clot 13 years in a prison. Cartel would make you find your teeth them. You don't see wisdom a ground. Molar a ground. You see front one them a ground. Side one them. Every one of your teeth them a ground. Because you white man, you know the cartel was gonna get the show of a lifetime. So what you do? You're running. Cartel could have do this by himself. Me don't care what people say about the system. Cartel could have find other way and do it and make him money by himself. I know you know come buy out cartel. Because you know say it's gonna be a historic show. You want to be a part of it, dirty white man. You see you look like one tie and die rock batty boy. You look pale no pussy hole. Look like say you have no more pigment in your blood clot skin. You look like say you're in a freezer all long and come out and a town. Dirty stinking batty man Joe bitch. Go from here so. The man show did I go successful with or without your white rass. You and dirty Batman Skatta. Skatta every show where you go up and then this you. Your mama have to get told about. Go suck your mama again, Skatta. You drunk crow. You disrespect law boss. And you disrespect Popcaan. And that's why Popcaan boy they nearly tear out your locks them. Why you not gonna tell the people them that? Me said Popcaan man them party head like Red Sea and chopping eye. Why you not telling man them that? One time they killing them buck you and got crazy. Why you never tell us they killing them nearly beat you own a show? They killing them nearly slap out the wall of your blood clot teeth and for violate Popcaan. What Sir Popcaan tell the killers to beat you know? They're gonna flag you, you know. Don't gonna think you're pretty done, you know, dirty stinking. Skatta, you're not pretty done. Because if Sir Popcaan did a beat done at once, I got beaten. Right? You don't think that the killers was gonna beat you? The killers they not a sympathy for you. Not like all this, the killers they have sympathy for done. You'll get beaten because them at a party shop. You think say you're pretty done? Them me say if Popcaan say beat him at once, you get your ass broke. And you know what you and Baba bitch. Who know that get on the ass bus at Freedom Street. Any of the killing, if Popcaan did say the killing them crazy, you know, if the killing them did ever get crazy. If the man is killing them crazy, if they killing them, they get crazy and get beaten up on that. You, Baba my bitch, I Shana, the whole out, his stage manager, he man them when they that screw up, he like them. Everybody, he killing them when he killing them get crazy. Pussy wall, violate. You never know one law, pussy wall. Okay.
Skilly and the prince, me lyrically fit. As world boss, he will tell you, crime and the king. You don't know in our league, you don't have the skill. We're stuck in our jeans, I stuck in a midget. Chop, pop our weed, no go in night, then side, like spear and boy.
Is it?
Your world boss.
Yo, Skilly.
Is it?
What?
Give them me brick with a easy enchant. Believe a thing, my sweat jump friend along the stand. I'm already peasant, bone, I'm also with the tendon. Ram them tight like to squeeze them extra. Secret them a lot, the big fire keep on get gas. Yes sir, fast capital will method digging with the press scientists to do things are very special. With the standard mighty, them with regular check a temperature. Them cannot touch a link much as a pendant. No discretion for attention, then a dead man rise the disinfectant, go out with the wet map, well bad. No you get out with the make for call with next shot. Say Gaza!
Is it?
Daddy! Happy New Year, Daddy.
Happy New Year, Skilly.
A Freedom Street with
Yeah,
them.
live, what you mean?
Hear me I say,
Yeah.
we not eat your zoo. We
Yeah,
not
yeah,
eat
yo.
Dada.
Got you.
Echel, go to town pension. Yeah, hear me? If you're not glad to see roll boss and bumbo cloud, you would not jump. Jump. We just chop off a head with the chopper. 16 chopper.
Look there.
Daddy, what you say?
Skilly, me say.
You didn't tell me one thing one time. You said the girl level of Skilly and Cartel name SK.
Yes.
We are gonna bust the SK if you can't tell you now. Oh no, jump your Freedom Street, jump, no man. Come on. We don't chop off a head. Chopper, 16 chopper. Long like. You think of that? Echel, go to the pension. Pension. See me teacher ya. Me say see me teacher ya. Jump. Jump. Scoop on me black. Hold on. Pam. Hold on.
What? Oh,
Big up everybody who forward out of Freedom Street. I enjoy ourselves. Happy New Year, no man. Skilly! Jump! We have school how we clock. Sing that part.
Wap.
And jump, kill it. So that the mini key task. Level. The amount of people wake up in the place and they look to you go wave up like when parents see out and them chest at your road. So man, I bet you when the rain don't look clear up everywhere you fuck up like when you dash shake up. What you say? Echel, go to town pension and don't play on Freedom Street.
Oh. One Skilly then, is it?
If you're not happy for be alive, make so nice, no man.
Nation, at this point we have to wonder if Enhancer Vibes Cartel's son. The other day we are here, them a talk like that, you know what I mean, Vibes Cartel and Sheba. And Enhancer for break up Vibes Cartel and Sheba last night.
Hey, I know for them lead that chat for me name. Who want to see me mash up and jump for me? Hey, no one be there, so I tap on bleach out dude. Sing that march men road to top banks for me lane. You'd see a fly out and I no time for that, I no time for that. Too much.
But a lot of people confused last night. Nation, a lot of people sparking controversy saying they don't know who shot a whaler, like a lot of Jamaican people, you know what I mean? I don't understand how they don't know. Shut up and take a listen to what Pretty Dan have to say.
I did him with it all boy that went and Whiskey. When you talk about Africa, we are going to talk about Davido, Burner, and Whiskey, bro. Them on the bro. Our way no father. You say you sing one whiskey, sing one Davido, I want burner. We can't find it. Me don't know who is Shatta Wheel. And somebody told, oh, the man a king of Africa, the man a king of this and dog. I'm gonna stop fuck around me, man. Someone wanna run up and down with this Shatta Wheel and don't know who the fuck him be neither. Someone we are Jamaica and the first we hear about this bumbo clot man here. He can't be the king of Ghana, all him blood clot one. So we can't know him. So true we don't know him is at this, oh that is at this. True me can't sing a Shatta Wheel song, we don't even know a title when I sang them. I don't even know one title. And that at this, oh that at this. True me know Burn and David and Whiskey. Me don't know him. Me never hear one song for him yet. Me never hear a song for the man yet, a bumbo clot. So what time when I go say, him a king of this? And they told to talk to me about Burn away fuck Jade and give Burn King and sing. We don't know a Whiskey, we don't have to hear about Whiskey. We hear about who Davido. Come on man, Jamaica, wanna be blood clot real with yourself, bro. Una did not know who Shatta Wheel was. 90% of the crowd did not know who the fuck was that man. They don't know no song for him. And I like how we can say, Ashibi ibi oh ayo, Ashibi ibi ibi oh ayo, Ashibi ibi ibi oh ayo, Ashibi ibi. We don't know how we said not the fish Shatta Wheel.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
Shatta Wheel,
big up
thank you,
everybody we watch, big up
you.
everybody we share it.
You
It's me, I
and
say, I
Ghana.
appreciate you all on.
Some of them when they go, you're gonna listen to your phone and me done. I don't know this thing. Me ever gonna listen to your show, this is what the bumbo clock you want me to do.
Like the only girl them can you put video on Facebook and share and the baddest wine that I little girl when you broke back wine tick tock girl shot hot door stop boy girl me I tell you me want your contact girl come here wine for the colo big up yourself my general stadium love or no man.
Yeah man, hear me I say I'll do a Air Force one this never. Here's Popcaan. I'll do a Air Force me a van. Where is Popcaan?
And when you get that new class, say daddy, and which color that? And we alone at that style, the daddy. The green feet, the nothing.
One more time.
And when you get that new class, say daddy. Oh, for yes, so she won't put on, so. Vibes Cartel.
Real bad man no muggle in a shots.
Attile.
That's it. That's the daddy. Mad in a party.
And we alone at that style, the daddy.
The queen.
Feet, the nothing. Yeah.
Okay.
And when you get that new class, say daddy.
That one.
And which color that?
Mad in a party.
Oh, for yes, so. Cartel say.
Real bad man no muggle in a shots.
Straight jeans.
Everybody.
The leather.
Toothbrush. Look.
Hold on.
DJ my fan.
Hold on. Yeah. We no love crepino. Glass we prefer. Glass for the leather. Yeah. Glass for the summer. Glass for the wind. Glass for the sun. Glass. So me know we an article. Daddy.
Yeah, Jack.
You remember that song, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me test the girl.
My place and my place. Your place and your